You need to hear this if you're a nature lover. These facts will blow your mind. Did you know that a single tree can provide enough oxygen for 4 people? That's right, trees are nature's air purifiers. Ever wonder why flamingos are pink? It's because of their diet. They eat lots of shrimp and algae, which contain pigments called carotenoids. Talk about eating your colors. Here's a weird one. Bananas are berries, but strawberries aren't. Yeah, nature loves playing tricks on us. And get this, sloths can hold their breath longer than dolphins. They can chill underwater for up to 40 minutes. Slow and steady wins the race, right? Oh, and did you know that mushrooms can communicate? They form a network called the Wood Wide Web to share nutrients and information with each other. Nature is full of surprises, isn't it? Hit that like button if you learned something new, and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing facts.